Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for baking enthusiasts, the EFAR 6-inch cake pan set of 3. If you're looking to elevate your baking game, stick around because we are about to explore why these might just be the best 6-inch cake pans on the market right now. First off, these pans are not your average kitchen gear. Made from pure stainless steel, they're built to last without any harmful chemicals leaching into your baked goods, which makes them a healthier choice compared to pans with non-stick coatings. The EFAR cake pans boast a premium grade and heavy-gauge stainless steel construction. What does that mean? Well, it ensures these pans won't warp or deform over time, promising a sturdy companion for all your baking adventures. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. One of the standout features here is the mirror-finished surface. It not only aids in easy food release but also ensures your cakes come out with a perfect golden brown crust every time. The straight-sided design? It's a game-changer for creating those beautifully layered cakes effortlessly. Now, let's talk versatility. These pans aren't just for cakes. Think quiches, deep dish pizzas, and even gelatin desserts. They're ideal for making that special layered smash cake for your little one's birthday or experimenting with your favorite recipes. This set includes 3 pans, each measuring 6 inches in diameter and 2 inches in height. It's a perfect size for everyday baking needs and ensures you have enough to tackle any baking project, big or small. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for reliable, non-toxic, and high-quality cake pans, the EFAR 6-inch cake pan set of 3 should definitely be on your radar. They're built to last, easy to clean, and versatile enough to handle a variety of baking tasks. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, where we uncover the best products for your everyday needs. Until next time, happy baking!